Welcome back. This is tutorial number 5 in Premiere Pro CS6 by Mr. Routhier. Hey, what we're going to do right now is we are going to look at the insert feature in your source monitor, the insert button. This thing's great. So as you can see, we've got our Angry Bird video, and I can play this thing. My poor computer's pretty slow, so it's playing pretty slow. Okay, so here it is. Now normally, the way we've done this is we have dragged or right-clicked on this to insert this over into the sequence, so it's over here that's set up. And by the way, sometimes you don't see this sequence, and if you don't see the sequence for some reason, you can click on this new item button and you can create a brand new sequence. So just FYI there. Okay, but there's a way to insert this into the sequence that is much easier, and I don't know why I don't use this, but I should. If you look on the little button panel that we have here, you can see this nice insert button. If I click insert, boom, there it is. It goes to wherever the playhead is. So if I do Control-Z and undo that, and I move the playhead out a little bit, and then I press the insert button, you can see it puts it right where the playhead was here, right here at 14 seconds. Okay, let's just get rid of that. Okay, so there's the insert button, but we certainly don't want this tutorial to be so quick. So we'll explain a few more things. The second, the button next to it, let's just talk about these three buttons here, is called the overwrite button. If I press the overwrite button, what that does is it inserts the video. Oh, and by the way, let's insert the video again in the middle of the video, and watch what happens. It just opens up a spot. Let me bring that down a little bit. Okay, as you can see, when I did the insert, it put here's the whole video, and it just cut. It split this video in two and put this in the middle. Okay, let's undo that. Now, if I go in and do the second button here, overwrite, what it will do is it will wipe this out and just overwrite it. Here, let me just show you that. Let's click overwrite, and you can see it just put it right here at the 2-minute mark, and then it wiped out the end of it. Okay, so that's the overwrite button. The last button here I want to show you is the export frame. And all this does is it takes a screenshot of this particular frame. Okay, and you can see it turns it into BMP file, or I can change it into a JPEG or whatever I need to change it to. I can browse to wherever I want this thing to go if I want to put it in my pictures. And I can say OK. And now, where's pictures? I should have a nice screenshot. Where's my pictures? Oh, why isn't it there? Okay. I don't know why it hid it, but that's what it's supposed to. I'll look at that later. All right. Now, one more thing that I'm going to undo what I did here. One more thing I want to show you is you need to be able to set in-out points. Okay, when you insert videos. Let's say in this particular video, you just want to do the very first sequence where the poor little Angry Bird is sitting there, and here's the little kid is like kicking the soccer ball against his house. And then he hammers. Okay, so that's at about 17 seconds is the end of that. And the beginning that is like 4 seconds. 5. Let's call it 7 seconds. So we're going to go from 7-second mark to the 14-second mark. We're going to create an in point at 7 and an out point at 14. And here we're just going to clear this. And we're just going to bring those 7 seconds into our timeline. So the way to do this is you can drag the playhead, but again, the Premiere Pro test doesn't like it when you drag. So we're going to set this playhead by double-clicking on the time code. So I'm going to double-click this time code. Now, the time code, this first number on the right, is hundredths of seconds. The next one is seconds. The next one is minutes. And then this other one is hours. Okay, so you can see hours, minutes, seconds, hundredths of seconds. So let's go to 7, and then if I do the colon 00, that should set 7 seconds. Yeah, there we go. So there's 7 seconds. And I'm going to set my in point. I could hit an I, or I could just mark in right here with this button. Okay, and so you can see it's set the in point, and it kind of automatically, the out point is the very end. Well, I'm now going to go to highlight that. I'm going to put in 14 and then colon 00. And now I brought it to the 14-second mark, and now I'm going to hit the out point. Okay, so now I have set in and out point. I've got this 7 seconds that I want. And guess what happens if I hit the insert button? It only inserts the 7 seconds. Isn't that marvelous? Ow! Okay, fabulous. Okay, so that is that's the time code. There's our playhead. There's our insert and our mark in and mark out. And there's our insert button. And that's all you need to know, I guess, for now. Oh, one other thing. Might as well tell you this while we're here. You've got this cute little drag video only or drag audio only. If for some reason we only wanted the video, I could drag this and you would see, look, I only get video. Or if maybe I just want the audio, I can drag that. And see, I can't put the audio in the video section. But I come down here to the audio section, and there's my audio. And so if I play it, I just hear it. I can't see anything. Okay, so that's some good stuff on our source monitor. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, by the way, over here, this is how long our in-out points are. So we have 7 seconds and 7.01 seconds. That's hundredths of a second there. Okay, well, thanks. That was super fun, wasn't it? Woohoo! All right, have a nice day. Bye.